To take the session forward, I would like to invite Mr. J. Bezaleel Manoah. Crushing and screening process requires constant maintenance of plants to provide higher mobility, fuel efficiency, ease of maintenance, and more productivity. Mr. J. Bezaleel Manoah, Associate General Manager, Mechanical, Patel Infrastructure Limited, has 24 years of experience in the field of plant and machinery. Before joining Patel Infrastructure, Mr. Manoah was associated with Dilip Buildcon Limited. In Gulf countries, he has worked with Gulfar, KS Infrastructure. He has also participated in the operation and maintenance training of Xtec mobile crushers and screens in the UK, Komatsu Equipment's maintenance training program in Oman. Today, he will be sharing his views on maintenance in plants. So let's welcome Mr. J. Bezaleel Manoah.
Last year, as a construction firm, last year we are all faced the situation of Corona, and now our construction boom also it is increasing. Now the situation is changing. Hope this year we will be have do in achievement in road construction industry, and our crushing and screening technology also will achieve our targets. In six subtitles, we are discussing about this one. Daily maintenance checklist as per our OEM standards, and second one is walk around inspection with every shift, and third one is plant and machinery health inspection procedures, and fourth one is day-to-day maintenance procedures, and fifth one is toolbox stocks, sixth one is spare life analysis. So one by one we will just share my opinions. Daily maintenance checks as per our crusher industry and screening industry in plant and maintenance. We have our OEM standards. OEM has giving us recommended maintenance checklist that we are implementing in our sites, and this also reach up to the down level team. And what are the checklist daily maintenance we are doing? Strictly we will implement and will do for better maintenance. This will be help us to preventive maintenance sector is a better preventive maintenance sector. Then walk around inspection. Each and every shift, normally in crusher and screening plants, we have day and night shift as a construction industry. So more than 10 hours in each shift, we have our own target, and we have our site pressure, and we are planning for 2 hours maintenance we are taking. And each and every shift, that operator and drivers already we educated that help us for the walk around inspection. This will be help us to any abnormalities, especially in screening and then crushing, any abnormalities or any disturbance to the conveyors, like that they will immediately they can find out, and what that type of rectification, root cause analysis. If any major breakdown it is going, immediately we can find out and we will sort out. This also one type of best practice procedures so we are implemented. In my knowledge, this walk around inspection is definitely up to the down team level. We will educate the team. Definitely, it will be achieved. Any major breakdown, we cannot. We will rectify, and this is one type of preventive procedures. And plant and equipment health inspection procedures. Third point is plant and health procedures. Every 3 months we have one health inspection procedures we will implement in our crusher and any type of equipment. It will be work out with the help of OEM. What is our pressure physical condition of this plant and machinery? The plant condition, and any failure root cause analysis we just find out, and immediately we can take out, and we will discuss with and we will rectify it, and we will do the best practice. And this also it has to be record, and every 3 months just health inspection procedures we will implement, and what are the status and what we are going to do. That also one type of maintenance procedures to improve the preventive maintenance schedule. And day-to-day activities and monitoring. This is also fourth one. Day-to-day, what are the problem we are facing and what type of slackness in our production, in our industry. Immediately we will share about to OEM and our specialist what best way we are going to do. In the single table we will sit, and we have to sort out and what are the production activity, what is the production, what is the capacity, what is the production we achieved, and what the lack. That also we will find out, and we will help us to monitor each and every day That also one type of maintenance procedures I am adding. Just in my opinion, I am shared. And fifth one is toolbox stocks. It's a compulsory one for all operators and drivers. Normally in crusher and screening plants and plant and equipment field in construction industry, our main asset is operators and drivers. So up to the down level and helper level, what our thinking as a supervisor, as a in charge, our thought has to go up to the down team level. So what we are going to implement and what is our target and what we are doing. That everybody, one helper, even that last helper should know about our situation and what are the maintenance procedure as per the OEM recommended. Immediately we can share it, and every day just 5 minutes repeat and repeat. This will be one type of easy way to reach the person to maintain, how to maintain the plant and how to achieve the targets. And this also help us the safety also. Once again, what are the we know all very well about that what type of major accident will happen in our crusher and screening. So that preventive, if a new person is coming, we will implement and we will guide them. Don't go and don't touch, and what are the precautions we have to do. Like that, we are sharing our thoughts. That also one best type of procedures in toolbox stocks. So sixth one is I'm talking about this maintenance sector, spare life analysis. This is very important. See, one what are the spares we are using in crusher, like mobile crusher jaw plates, fixed and movable plates, and cone crusher, what is the cone, and what are the tooth points in excavators. What when we are issued and what is the hour we are issued, like that we are maintaining. And next when we are changing that hours also we will take, and as an analysis we will make. And every 3 months or 4 months just we have analysis. So in normally we in construction industry we have different state in our projects is going on in South India or North India and middle of India. So what is the rocks data and what are the consumers there in North India and South India, what is the status, like that we can make it. And as per OEM recommendation we will go for implement. And this also for the stock inventory also we can plan easily. So no need to dump our inventory. Immediately we will implementing our inventory plan, and we have a best practice to maintain this thing. So these are the six small title I am prepared and discuss about the maintenance.